stop. Before your next flight in 2026, you need to hear this. Because one tiny mistake with your medication could get your bag flagged, your items confiscated, or worse, delay your entire trip. We've all felt that moment in the TSA line. Heart pounding, bags sliding into the scanner, and suddenly your stomach drops. Did you pack your meds correctly? Did some new rule just change? Is that expensive cream about to disappear into the confiscation bin? Relax, because in the next few minutes, you're going to learn exactly how smart travelers move through airport security stress-free in 2026. From pills and medical liquids to little-known customs rules that quietly ruin trips, and one critical habit that can save you from a full-blown travel nightmare. First rule, and this one is non-negotiable. Never, ever put essential medication in your checked luggage. Checked bags get delayed, rerouted, and sometimes completely lost. Now imagine your blood pressure pills, insulin, or heart medication sitting in a suitcase that never arrives. That's not just inconvenient, that's dangerous. Always keep medication in your carry-on, where it stays with you, accessible during the flight, and safe from the airport black hole. If you need it, it never leaves your side. Inside the United States, TSA is generally fine with weekly pill organizers. But here's the catch most travelers miss. Mystery pills slow everything down. Original pharmacy bottles move you through faster because they clearly show your name and prescription details. Flying internationally is stricter. Organizers can become a red flag at customs. Officials abroad want proper labels and doctor information, so the smart rule is simple. Domestic flights, organizers are usually fine. International travel, bring original bottles only. Now let's kill one of the biggest myths still floating around airports. The 3.4-ounce liquid rule does not apply to medically necessary liquids. That means insulin, cough syrup, prescription creams, gel packs, all allowed. But here's the secret most people get wrong. You must separate and declare them. Pull medical liquids out in a clear bag and tell the TSA officer before screening. When you declare properly, screening is quick and smooth. When you hide them, you almost guarantee a bag search. Yes, syringes are allowed too, but they must travel with the medication they support. Insulin pens, EpiPens, inhalers, permitted. Just keep them protected in a hard case. Wearing a medical device like an insulin pump or CGM, simply inform the officer. You typically don't need to remove it, which is especially helpful for travelers with medical needs. Loose pills in a plastic bag may be technically allowed, but they can still trigger extra screening if they look suspicious. The fastest path through security is simple. Original labeled bottles whenever possible. For vitamins and supplements, a labeled organizer usually works fine. Remember, organized looks safe, random looks suspicious. If you ever forget medication at home, don't panic immediately. Many countries allow emergency pharmacy refills, but only if you have proof. A prescription photo, doctor's note, or even a picture of the bottle label can help. No proof often means you're stuck with over-the-counter substitutes. Smart travelers always snap photos of their prescriptions before flying. Now let's talk about something that quietly causes mid-flight problems: mixing medication with alcohol. That tiny wine bottle at 35,000 feet might seem harmless, but alcohol can amplify side effects like dizziness, nausea, and extreme drowsiness. Some medications also interact badly with melatonin or herbal sleep aids. The wrong combination mid-air isn't just uncomfortable, it can be risky. Time zone changes create another hidden danger. Many travelers skip or delay doses thinking they'll fix it later, but missing critical medications, especially for blood pressure or diabetes, can create serious issues during travel. The smart move is to speak with your doctor before international trips and adjust your schedule safely. And don't rely on airport pharmacies to save you. They're expensive, limited, and often don't stock what you actually need, especially overseas where brand names differ. Always bring your required medication from home in original packaging. Now ladies, quick warning. Cordless hair straighteners that run on butane cartridges are heavily restricted. The gas inside is considered hazardous. You may bring one in carry-on only if it has a proper safety cover, and spare butane refills are typically confiscated immediately. Heated vests and similar gear create another common mistake. The vest itself is fine, but the lithium battery inside must be removed and carried in the cabin, never left connected in checked luggage. The same rule applies to smart suitcases. If the battery isn't removable, many airlines will not allow the bag to fly in 2026. Electric hand warmers, CPAP spare batteries, rechargeable hearing aid cases all must travel in carry-on and be protected from short-circuiting. If a device contains a hidden battery, assume it belongs in the cabin.
Even small vibrating items like electric toothbrushes and razors can trigger baggage inspections if they accidentally turn on inside checked luggage, so always use travel locks or protective cases. Tablets, laptops, and large electronics should stay in your carry-on to prevent battery damage or fire risk. Despite online rumors, AirTags are allowed in checked luggage because their lithium content is extremely small. If you ever must check a laptop, power it completely off, not sleep mode, to prevent overheating. Passport covers may look stylish, but they slow you down at security since officers require you to remove the passport repeatedly. Keep your passport easily accessible for the checkpoint, then secure it afterward. Bulky everyday wallets also create unnecessary risk while traveling. A slim RFID blocking wallet with only essential cards is safer and easier to manage. Older power banks should be replaced with modern models that include temperature protection and automatic shutoff features. When it comes to bags, shoulder duffels might look cool but become exhausting across long terminals. Rolling spinners or compact wheel bags move far more efficiently. Two-wheel suitcases drag and tire you out. Four-wheel spinners glide smoothly through crowded airports. Oversized toiletry kits waste space and slow inspections. Modular pouches keep everything organized and TSA friendly. Packing too many shoes is another classic mistake. Wear your bulkiest pair on the plane and pack only one lightweight backup. Inside the cabin, ponchos create tangles and discomfort. Fitted layers like merino wool wraps work far better. Old inflatable neck pillows are being replaced by structured travel pillows with chin support that actually hold your head upright. Heavy converter blocks are mostly outdated. Dual voltage electronics plus a simple plug adapter are lighter and safer. Wireless noise-canceling earbuds save space compared to bulky headphones and reduce mid-flight clutter. Hidden money belts often backfire because the moment you reach under your clothes, you signal exactly where valuables are. A slash-resistant crossbody bag with a small tracker is far more practical. And remember this packing truth: if you catch yourself saying, "I might need this," you probably don't. Extra just-in-case items quietly overload your luggage and slow you down. Now here's the reality most travelers don't realize. Your next airport mistake could get you searched, flagged, or delayed. TSA behavior monitoring is real, and small signals matter. That's exactly why in this video we're breaking down what actually gets travelers stopped in 2026 and how to avoid expensive surprises. But before we continue, if you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe because it helps the channel grow and keeps these insider travel guides coming. Let's start with banned items. Many travelers assume only obvious weapons trigger problems, but everyday objects can also cause alarms, and liquids still cause the most checkpoint drama. The standard 311 rule applies to regular toiletries, and breaking it guarantees delays. Always check the latest prohibited items list before flying because rules do change. What you wear matters too. Heavy boots, metal belts, and excessive jewelry slow screening dramatically. One light removable layer is far better than wearing multiple bulky layers to save suitcase space. Finally, and this part surprises many people, your behavior at the airport matters more than you think. Acting overly nervous, making jokes about weapons, or behaving aggressively can attract unnecessary attention. The smoothest travelers stay calm, polite, and natural. Keep eye contact normal and brief, follow instructions, and move confidently. The same less is more rule applies to electronics. Too many gadgets mean more bins, more delays, and more chances for inspection. Stick to essentials, keep devices charged, and be ready to power them on if asked. Pack smart, stay calm, and you'll move through airport security in 2026 faster than most travelers around you.